Hello, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the 9 ways to make money on Poppo Live. Poppo Live allows you to make friends, socialize, chat, and also make money that can sustain you for a very long time than you expect. There are different ways of making money on Poppo Live, which I'm going to educate you on that. So the first way of making money on Poppo Live is going live and performing your daily tasks. So if you perform your daily tasks and go live for some period of time, Poppo Live will give you $1. Secondly, becoming a referrer. To become a referrer, these are a few steps you have to take. Click on your profile icon, click on the invite option. So right here on my invite option, you're going to see your invite code. Just click on your just copy your invite ID, send it to people. Make sure they click on it. They should click on it and register. That is the only way you will be paid by Poppo Live. Try to make sure that they click on it and register. If your friend don't click on it and go to your place, go to their own place to download Poppo Live, don't expect any reward from Poppo Live. They must click on it, and before the reward, they must click on your link, your ID invite link, before you be able to get reward from Poppo Live. The next way, which is the third way you can earn from Poppo Live, is by becoming an agent. You can become an agent. Send your message, send a request to Poppo Live for them to allow you to become an agent. There are due process for that. The link you have to send your information to, so Poppo Live will guide you on that. Send your details to Poppo Live, go to help option. So right here on help option, you can send your feedback to Poppo Live. Just make your request or ask them questions on how to do that. They will guide you on that. Or you go to Google and ask Google. I'm not an agent, but that's one way that you can earn on Poppo Live. The next way you can earn on Poppo Live is hosting party, opening panel, receiving gifts from viewers. So if you host parties just like this way, you can see we have different people that are hosting open panel. You're going to receive gifts from viewers. That way you can convert the different gifts you receive to money, to USDT or any currency of your choice. The next way you can earn, which is the fifth way, is by leveling up. I have a video where I've talked about leveling up. You can level up. As you level up by paying a particular amount of coin, spending it in the app, you're going to upgrade, and that way Poppo Live will pay you for your upgrade. So the next way you can earn is by selling coin. Selling coin is one way you can earn, because if you look at Poppo Live, you see how much activity here, and all this activity requires coin. Those people that want to send gifts, they require coin. Those people that want to play music, they need coin. Those people that want to have fun on Poppo Live, they still need coin to exchange gifts, to exchange presents with their loved one, friends. On Poppo Live, they need coin, because without it they'll not be able to send those gifts to their loved ones. So you need to have coin. So if you want to sell coin on Poppo Live, you just have to send your message to help, click on the help option, click on my feedback, and make your request there. So Poppo Live will tell you what is required of you, and you know what to do about it. The next way you can earn is by participating in events. You can see there's a notification that is going through now. You see official announcement, beware of scam. You can, if you stay, you can see if you have any question, please contact us immediately. Anytime there is any event, that is how you will still see it. Okay, look at this. You see monthly host invitation reward, June 30th. Are you seeing it? 1st June to June 30th. Monthly host invitation reward. Are you seeing it? So if you follow up with the notifications on your Poppo Live app, you get reward. Poppo Live gives events or makes events 2 to 3 times in a month. So if you're able to follow up with the notifications and follow up with the event, participate fully in the event, you'll be among the people that will get rewarded for those events. And the eighth is the service provider. When I say service provider, you can be a graphic designer, advertise yourself on Poppo Live. Those people that want birthday card, you can design it for them. Everything is online now, everything is electronic, everything is digital now. So you can just send it to them. They just have to print it, or they can use it that way online and celebrate their birthday, and you'll be paid for that. So that way you can easily get paid. The ninth one, which I'll not be calling name, but I'm just going to write it on my screen. You can see it there. So you can do this one online and or offline. Any of them you can do it, but you still require to have some coin or diamonds with you. I hope this guide you to make money on Poppo Live. I'll drop my Poppo Live playlist in case you find it difficult with any of these steps. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.